Welcome to BingX, where your investment journey can start even stronger with a special BingX Referral bonus. Today, we'll explore the advantages of BingX and how you can benefit from the referral code CHUCHU. BingX is not just another trading platform. It's a gateway to global financial markets, offering an intuitive interface and robust features tailored for both novice and experienced traders. But what makes BingX truly stand out? It's their commitment to your success, which includes rewarding you for joining their community. When you sign up with the referral code CHUCHU, you'll instantly unlock a bonus. This isn't just any bonus. It's designed to give you a head start. Benefit number 1. Reduced trading fees. Use your bonus to trade at lower costs. More savings means more earnings for you. Benefit number 2. Increased leverage. Enjoy higher leverage options, allowing you to maximize your potential returns. Benefit number 3. Exclusive access. Gain access to premium trading tools and expert market insights. Using CHUCHU as your referral code not only gets you started with a boost, but also rewards the referrer, creating a win-win situation. Here's how you can take advantage. Step 1. Sign up. Visit BingX's website. Click on Sign Up and enter the referral code CHUCHU. Step 2. Verify your account with KYC. Complete the necessary KYC verification to secure your account. Step 3. Start trading and explore your bonus. Start trading. With your bonus, dive into a world where every trade can lead to success. BingX supports a multitude of cryptocurrencies, provides real-time market data, and offers a seamless user experience with its robust security measures. But the real game changer is the referral program. Every time a friend uses CHUCHU to sign up through you, not only do they benefit, but you earn as well. It's BingX's way of saying thank you for spreading the word. In closing, let's remember that in the world of cryptocurrency, every little edge counts. With BingX and the referral code CHUCHU, you're not just trading, you're trading with a bonus. Join BingX today, leverage your success with CHUCHU, and start your journey towards financial empowerment.